Welcome to episode 4 of our town tours. The most successful thing that we've ever done. Now let's bounce. Hey, what's up everybody? My name's Xander Pandre and welcome to the town of Warwick. We're out here in Federation Park next to this massive frog statue and let's go check out the town. Now out in this park, they've got plenty of play equipment. And you know us, how we like parks and play equipment. We're on the spider net and we're gonna go across and see what this place has got. I can't get down! Oh guys, look how tall I am! You thought he was tall? I'm a little bit taller. Behind me is the Warwick Town Hall. Here you can get all of the visitor information and check out the town. Look how nice it is. Twilight markets. Located in the center of Warwick's town is the Warwick War Memorial statue, and further around are the Lest We Forget memorials and just all of the beautiful flowers located around. Here at the War Memorial we have multiple flowers. Here we have the white flowers with pink on them, the white flowers with purple on them, and come with me up here. We have the lovely golden flowers, like that. As you can see, these are probably annual flowers, so they're going to be dying pretty soon. So that's pretty epic. Let's bounce. Behind me, as you can see, we've got the Warwick Art Gallery, where we have all of the local Warwick art from different artists. Let's just go see if we can jump in and have a look. Wow, look at this. A semi-cursed church with a Christmas fade. Behind me in the middle of the road is a statue of Thomas Joseph Burns. Over here we have the post office, and just over there we have Warwick City, Rose City Shopping World. Watch me win. Watch me win. Watch me win! Now that is how you get all of your necessities at the Rose City in Warwick. You take $1 and get nothing. Let's continue. What's going on, gamers? Today we're going to be drinking the original Wimmer's ginger beer. We're going to try that first. Thank you, my good sir. We don't want to fill it up all the way because we need the palate for this bad boy. Tastes like ginger beer. It gets a little bit hot at the back of your throat. But now let's just wash it down with some Schweppes orange and mango. tastes like orange and mango. But that's not why we're here. We're gonna mix both of them together. We drove by rivers here. It was pretty epic in Warwick. The store looks like the one in Ruffin Street. The Rose City is pretty cool as well. Kinda reminds me of how busy Grand Central is. But let's just say Warwick is a pretty cool gangster place to be. Kinda looks like tea now, but that's alright. So this is both of them mixed together. Give it a bit of a stir. I was thinking that the ginger beer was going to overpower the orange and mango, but it was the other way around. But there's a bit more of an afterbite from the ginger beer with this. So this has been mixologist Gangster Mix Boy. Thanks for watching the Warwick version.
Alright, so I'm going to be trying the combination of ginger ale and orange and mango. So let's get in this ginger ale first. There it is. It's actually a lot clearer than I thought it would be. I don't know why, but I always thought ginger ale was brown like the bottle, but it's not. That's a bit of a confusing one for you gamers out there. Alright, here we have the orange and mango. Ryan just said that it was quite overpowering. Let's see how that goes. Let's see what it's like. Alright, we're getting this lid back on. Alright, I'm going to give it a taste. Whoop. Not a bad flavor, but yeah, actually, the initial hit is definitely orange and mango, but then that ginger beer does come in later. It is pretty good. Delicioso.
We're out here in Warwick's park again, but this is the bigger one because we found this one. Because the one over there kind of smelt like bad doo-doo, but this is the better one. So let's go and see what they've got. We're mad. Wake up, girl. We're going to Disneyland.
Here in front of Southern Downs Steam Railway. Here you can check out a whole bunch of cool trains and learn all of the history of the trains in the Southern Downs region. It's a pretty cool place.
Welcome to Warwick's Australian Rodeo Heritage Centre. It's currently closed, but we can still have a look around.
G'day everybody, and we're at Queen's Park at the entrance of Warwick. Just as you're arriving, you see this incredibly huge, big monument dedicated to all of the horses, the carts, the racing, the cowboys that really once ran the land out here. And then down there we have some sporting fields, some nice flower beds, and some information all about all of the horses. This is a really, really nice place.
Behind me is the Warwick District Pringle Cottage. It's a really nice place for your family and friends to just get out of the house and just explore what they've got. They're currently closed at the moment, but that's alright. When they're opening up again, make sure you just come in and, take a dip.
Out here at Lesley Dam. Just over the wall is the full dam, but right now we're here at the dam wall. Look how huge it is. Thank you everybody so much for watching. Make sure to give this video a massive thumbs up. It really helps us. And make sure to subscribe too. Leave a comment of where we should go next and leave a comment of what you liked. Click this big circle thing right here, probably right here. Also click that weird box thing and look at a bounce. Later gamers.